Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can change or update your sender name for your emails in your Gmail inbox really quickly. For example, if you'd like to change your username and send your emails here via Gmail with that updated username. So let us get started right away. Head over to your email inbox on Gmail. Click on that gear icon in the top right corner to access your inbox settings. Click on See All Settings here. And inside your Gmail settings, switch from General to the Accounts and Import tab here at the top. And here it says Send Mail As. You will be given the opportunity to send or to change your info or to edit it and adjust your or update your sender info by clicking on this button here. And here inside that window, simply switch from your current username here to that field below and type in your custom username with you would like to use for your future emails. And that's basically it, guys. Confirm by clicking on Save Changes here. And that's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.